one important tool that we will be using quite a bit of is the text tool. And how do we put text into a document that's already been made? So sometimes I will put them in for you, and all you will have to do is type. So you may see something like, you probably won't actually see the text itself. You will see something like this, and I'll have this written in there. That means that's where I have put the text box, and that's where you're going to type your answer. Now there's a good chance that I won't do that because I want you to practice using your texting tools. So you're going to do it just exactly the way I very quickly just showed you. So up here on your toolbar, you have, it's called a text box. You can also go up to Insert, Text Box. Either way, they work the same way. So let's do this. And say you need to write in your own definition of a numerator. So you're going to give yourself some space. Do you see I have a cross right here? I'm going to hold down and drag on my mouse pad and make myself a nice text box in there. Now here you can change your font. So if you like, I love to use Architect's Daughter is one of my favorite fonts. I can change the size. If I know I'm going to have a lot to say, I might want to make it smaller. If I know I only have one or two or maybe three words to say, I can make it bigger. I can change the color. So one of my favorite colors is purple. So I might change it to purple, and maybe I want it centered. So I can make it look nice too. Okay? I don't want it in the top and bottom though. I just want it up at the top. So there we go. Okay? So then I would type out what my definition of a numerator might be. So I might say the part shaded. Okay? So I would just write in the part of the whole that is shaded. So that's what I would type as my answer. And then that's really all you have to do in order to use the text box. You can, so say though, I really want part emphasized. So I'm going to highlight part. I'm going to make that bold. And I even might make that one a different color. Maybe I want that red. And whole, because that's another part of the definition. But I'm going to make that bold and italic and underlined, and I'm going to make that bright green. Okay? So you can, within your text box, do all sorts of fun things to the text that you're also working on. And then if I wanted to actually show what I meant, so maybe since I made this purple, and then what if I just showed I didn't have, I don't know, had black for my denominator. Well, the denominator means there's 4 parts, right? And the numerator is the part. So we have 3 of those parts shaded. If I wanted to show that, then I could go up to my Shapes tool, find my square, and I could make a square and fill in each part. Whoops, I dragged that too far. I need to go get another shape. Actually, I might just copy and paste. And then I can just put those where I want them. And that shows that I have 3, 4 shaded. So we've used our text tool and we have used our shapes tool.